Yeah, it's recording.
Uh, Hello, Professor. Hi, everyone. We are try to explain about making visualizations on superstores, and we are team of four. And Mano, can you go to intro? Yeah. So basically, our data set is about the superstore data set, and it has three sheets, and the table one has profits of each country, and it has two columns describes country name and sum of profits, and 169 rows indicates the data set that we have used, explains control describes in about 169 countries. And in table 2 we have orders, and which contains of profits, order type, category, and discounts and shipping mode and like that. And we have wide data of 51,000, and we have table 3 for various uh, order IDs, and it also has 1080 rows. So when the main purpose of choosing this dataset is to find out the strategies that we can guide, and the dataset we have used is starting from 2012 to 2015, and the time bound that we selected for this dataset is 4 years. And coming to my visualizations, I choose a profit segment to describe the profits over among the period of time. So this data set, the visualization that on the screen shows the profits, average profits in order priority. So the order priorities are like critical, medium, high, and low. Based on the order priority, the profit was divided to each order priority. And as for the graph, we can see critical is dominating the all other types. And as you know, critical place like it is costly, like the shipping cost is for critical is also high, so that's why critical played important role in earning profits. And although low and high priority and medium priority also not that less, but the dominating is critical. And can you go to second one? Yeah. So it is observed that technology items played more important role in profits. So as compared to furniture and office supplies, technology profits are so high. So we can conclude that our superstore is technology dominant, and also furniture and other supplies are little less, but they also played important role in earning almost 28% and 16% of profits. And can you go to other? Yeah. So this is the important of like we have covered over 163 countries, and this graph describes profits of total profits of each country. If you go to that blue dots, and it will describe country name and its total profits. So if you observe a few of the like more than 30 countries profits are in negative, which indicates the loss which we faced. So there, the if the profit is less, like we need to update some. Like you can see for Pakistan, it is for minus 22,000, and there are some other countries like for India, it is little high, and we can say based on the strategy among all four years, this is overall 4 years profit in each country. So based on this numbers, we can improve our strategies in that region accordingly. So this profit graph indicates based on overall in 4 years we have earned profits in this sector and less profits in this sector. Based on these numbers, we can change our strategies, and we can update the uh, tools. And as we saw in previous graph, technology play important role, so we can improve more in the technology. As you can see, India has more profits and Pakistan have less profits, and few other countries have huge profits and few other countries have huge loss. Based on that, we can increase and decrease the shipping amounts and shipping types. So based on this profit number suggest to develop our strategies. So from here on, I will pass it to Akshat.
So thank you so much, Akhil. And hello, Professor. Myself, Akshat Patel.
My segment is profit and discount as well, and I have also used other columns to explain my visualization little bit more in detail. So this is my first graph, as you can see on the screen. So here I have used discount and profit versus region. So this graph shows the average profit and average discount given by company by different region, right? So here you can clearly see that if the discount rate is high, then that regions are making losses, and if the discount is less or almost zero, then that region are making a good number of profit. Here there are few regions like East Asia, Southern Asia, Central Africa, and Canada, North America. So that region are making good profit, and they are not giving almost no discount, right? And there is some other regions like Western Asia or Central Asia. They are providing too much discount, and they are not making that much profit from the online sale, or you can also say that they are making loss right now. uh, can you change? Yeah, thank you. So here you can see that I have used sales and quantity against each year of the region. So here from this graph you can clearly see that online sales as well as the quantity is increasing for each and every region by each year. Here in 2015, for each region you can see that bar chart is almost high for each region, right? So we can clearly say that global sentiment for the online sale is increasing day by day. Can you change next graph, please? Thank you. So this is my next graph, and here I have used subcategories against profit. So there are many subcategories you can see in online shopping, right? And here I have used average profit. So this graph clearly shows that which category makes most profit and which category make losses in online sale. Here you can see copiers and appliances, bookcases makes good amount of profit, almost more than 100% of profit on each sale, while uh, tables are making loss of around 74% of its margin. Yeah, thank you so much, and I will hand over to my teammate.
Thank you, Akshat. Hello, Professor. My name is Mana, and my segment is the shipping segment. So here I have used the line chart, which shows the shopping cost by the order priority and the number of orders. So as you can see, the critical orders has the maximum amount of shipping cost, which is around approx $60. So it's pretty understandable that the critical orders priority have like the fastest amount, the least amount of time to get the items delivered. And as we can say that medium order priority has a less amount of average shipping cost because it's just around $18. So this is a graph for the from low to critical, then it's getting high, and at the end it's medium. So from the graph we discovered that the critical orders priority has the maximum number of average shipping cost for it. So the next graph bar chart is for the average shipping cost by the country wise. So as we can see, Norway has the minimum average shipping cost, which is around 141, and the highest one is Uruguay, which is around 630. So it's depend on their product or in the orders quantity. So the thing is like the less country, the country's order has been low, then average shipping cost would be low. And if like the many countries have the number of maximum amounts of order, then it's the shipping cost gets higher due to the demands and the shipment. So the third one is the shipping cost and orders by the year. So as we can see, total number of orders in 2012 was like 8,900. So it's almost 9,000 orders. And for that, the shipping cost was around 250 grands. So it's kind of higher for it, but as we can see, it's growing like exponentially every year. In 2013, it was like around orders number was like 10,900 and the shipping cost was around 284,000. For 2014, it was like the orders were 30,800 and the shipping cost was around 365 grands. And in 2015, there has the highest number of orders and the shipping cost, which is around 17,500 orders and $462,000 dollars for the shipping cost. So here we can see that it was the shipping segment, and the next segment will be explained by the Mosam. Mosam,
Thank you,
over to you.
Manav. Hello, Professor. Myself, Mausam Lakhani. Today, my segment is discount segment. From this bubble chart, you can clearly see that there are four different tiers, which shows how much discount was given in which year. The highest discount was given in the year 2015, which was 2,512, which was followed by 2014 and 13, while in 2012 it was the lowest discount was provided, that is 1,333. This indicates that gradually from 2012 to 2015 the discount per year has increased simultaneously. On to the next graph. So, this this graph shows that average discount according to the country, which country was has given how much discount. So you can clearly see that there are many different countries over here. The country which are marked in blue have the highest discount, have the lowest discount, and the country which are marked in red have the highest discount. So you can see that uh, the India has average discount of 0.0177, while the other country which is in the red, that is Turkey, has zero point 0.6, Nigeria has zero point 0.7. So simultaneously, many it goes from high to low, that is from blue to red. The next one. So in this tree graph, it is discount according to the categories. Here are different categories and how much discount was given on per category. So from this you can see that vendors were the highest, and the highest discount was given on vendors, that is 1,101, which was followed by storage, that was 699.5, whereas the lowest discount was given on the appliances, that was 247.5, which was followed by tables and coppers. From this we can see that there are many categories that we don't use in day to day life. There in that category the more discount is provided, while the categories which are used in day to day life, the less discount is provided. So that's it. This was our presentation. Thank you so much, Professor, for giving us this opportunity. We are glad to working with you.
Thank you, Professor. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you, Professor.
Professor.